I think one of the best ways for humans to communicate with each other is through storytelling. The reality is that some storytelling formats are much harder to create than others. Like, we're taught to write in school. That's one way to tell stories. Maybe we learn a little bit about drawing. That's another way to tell stories. But beyond that, like, we aren't really taught a lot about the technical aspects of storytelling, the tools of creating stories, the stuff that really has excited me, as it has many people in the technology industry, but I think in particular in like the creative industry, is generative AI. And the moment that I started to play with things like GPT-3 and now GPT-4 and some of the generative models from Stable Diffusion, I had a very similar feeling and experience as I did the very first time that I used the Roland VS880 to record my music. It just felt like the world wasn't going to be the same. And I had a few other moments like this in my career. Like when the iPhone came out, I felt that same way. You know, the first time I drove a Tesla, I kind of felt that way. And I think we all have these moments where we try these new products that feel like they're going to change the world in some way. And I've had that experience with generative AI. And so I've just been really excited about how that technology can empower more and more people to create. Because that's always been the thing that excites me the most, is empowering people who maybe wouldn't raise their hand and call themselves a creative person, or maybe they are a creative person, but they want to work faster and better and do things that they've never been able to do before. Technology has always been the way that creativity has been democratized. What excites me about that is that anyone can tell stories regardless of their background or their training or their economic status.